What's up, guys and girls? Here today we have the LG VN251 Cosmos 2. It's an LG slider phone for Verizon, Page Plus, Red Pocket, Straight Talk, as long as you're using Verizon towers. This will this can be activated on any carrier that uses Verizon until December 31st, 2018. The reason being is Verizon is shutting down the ability to activate any 3G devices. They started not activating them in retail Verizon stores starting on July 1st, 2018. So if you're going to be activating this puppy, you want to activate it using the serial number located right underneath where the battery goes, and by at least for Verizon anyway, calling it 800-922-0204. It's a sharp looking phone. I mean, if you're looking for something that does not need a data plan and you're a heavy texter or writer, you know, very sleek yet small. As you can see, my big fat thumbs are a little bit too big for the keyboard, but in any case, it's very sleek and pushes in, pulls out really fast, and it's a nice color phone. It'll match with anything that you're wearing, or for girls, I guess, any color purse or what have you. And again, if it's just very basic, it doesn't need a data plan, and you can choose different wallpapers and such. And at least with the Cosmos 2, it had the option to use the animated wallpaper. As you can see, icons are moving up and down, which I guess back then, which is only a few years ago, this is one of the first phones that would actually let you have an active wallpaper, as you can see here, with the butterflies and stuff moving across the screen. And before this, it was just a plain old stationary background, you know. And of course, for all you Android users, this is nothing new at all. And also the background scrolls up and down as well. So it has two side buttons here that allow you quick access to your messages and such once it's activated. You can also program those two keys. See where you get the quick menu, messaging, favorites, and also the addition of social networks, which you normally would not see on a non-data plan phone. And it's real easy to slide it up and down, and it does take a micro SD card, and it does have a 1.3 megapixel camera. However, it does not include a flash. And the battery number on this is BL Bravo Lima -46CN Charlie Niagara. And just in case you need an extra battery, they usually go on Amazon or eBay for like $3.95. Alright, that's it. And like I said, once you call Verizon, you just do *228 and then hit the send to activate, and the activation screen will come up. You could also do that in speaker. It's a nice speaker.
To program or activate your phone, press 1.
Then you would just press 1 to activate, or you can press 2 to update the PRL to get it to connect to the closest tower. Well, that's it for now with the LG VN251 Cosmos 2. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe or like below. Take it easy.